The factory incandescent bulbs for the taillights of the F-100 are pretty dull and can certainly use an upgrade, so today we're going to get rid of them for these LED panels. These LED panels are going to be direct fit plug-and-play replacements for the factory incandescent taillight bulbs. They feature 27 bright LED chips that produce a bright and crisp red light, which allows for more light to pass through the lens, making your taillights brighter for more visibility and safety. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, these LED panels are pretty easy to install. All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the lens. This is the taillight bulb right here. Push it in, but be careful, do not break the glass. Twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. Grab your LED panel and plug in the bulb adapter. Push it in, twist it clockwise, lock it in place. Then you're going to set this right in the taillight lens and reinstall the lens. Do the same thing to the other side and your install is finished. Alright, here's a side-by-side comparison of our LED taillight and the incandescent taillight. We have the LED on the right and it is brighter than the incandescent and it has a nice custom look to it too. And the brake lights are significantly brighter too. Okay, we got our LED taillight panels installed in our 71 F-250. They look a whole lot better than the factory incandescent bulbs. They give it a nice custom look too. Install is pretty simple. It should only take you about 10 minutes and a Phillips screwdriver. And before you know it, you'll be heading down the road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here. And for more videos like this one, click this playlist.